Hello students, welcome back to computer class. This is your class 2 book. Open your book children, page number 23. Last class I have taught you about uses of computer at home, in school, in office. Up to here we have completed. Today we will continue the next part. In bank. So children, how we use computer in bank. Computers are used in bank for keeping the record of all the accounts holder. People, those who are having passbook on a bank, computers are used to keep their record. The ATM machine is there for us to withdraw money. Passbooks are also updated with the help of computer. So our passbook is also updated with the help of computer. Then ATM stands for automated teller machine, which has a computer in it. We use it for taking out our money. So what is the full form of ATM children? Automated teller machine. And what is its use? We use to take out our money. Then in shop, computers are used in shop for preparing bills. They are also used for keeping records of items stored in the shop. So in shopping mall you must have seen computers. They use computer to prepare bills, and also they use computer to keep the record of items that are there in the shop. Then come in hospital. What is the use of computer in hospital? Let's see. Computers are used in hospital to keep the record of patients as well as to diagnose the disease. They are also used in performing surgeries and making bills for patient. So in hospital, computers are used for keeping the record of patient. There are so many people who are admitted in hospital, and it is not possible to remember them all the names. So they use computer to keep the record of patients, and they are also used to diagnose the disease. What kind of disease we can diagnose through computer. Then some surgeries are also performed with the help of computer, and again they make bills and payments with the help of computer. Then comes your at police station. What is the use of computer at police station? See here picture you can see. Then computers are used at police station for keeping records of criminals. Children, so many criminals are there in police station, and it is not possible to remember all their records. So they are kept in computer safely, so that whenever they need they can use it. They are also used to scan their fingerprint to keep their record. So the computers there is also used to scan the fingerprint. They take out fingerprint to match with the culprit. So these are the works it is done in the police station. So children, today I am stopping here. Next class I will again continue the same lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.